Acidilia plantea was once covered in ancient crust. Sediments filled the empty plain, leaving the phyllosophic knobs as protuberances. Can't pronounce that. Throughout the surface, the spatial density of these knobs is consistent with the ancient crust that was once above Acidilia plantea. This region is the most suitable for life. And then our physical geography. The location of our settlement on Mars is 23 degrees north and 325 degrees east, located in Acidilia plantea region. Nothing but silt and irony sand covering this vast wasteland, located roughly 3,106.85 miles east of Alba Planetara and Olympus Mons. Climate. Mars' atmosphere is about 100 times thinner than Earth. Without a thermal blanket, Mars can't retain any heat energy. On average, the temperature of Mars is about minus 80 degrees in winter near the poles. Temperatures can get down to minus 195 degrees Fahrenheit. A summer day on Mars may get up to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. The dome on Mars is temperate forest, and the atmospheres ranged from 50 to 70 degrees. Our dome is set at 70 degrees so it can grow the natural resources and have a comfortable temperature for the livestock. Our dome has pigs, chicken, cows for livestock. It grows potatoes, corn, tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, apples, almonds, walnuts, and watermelon. It also grows wheat and grass to feed the livestock. The water that evaporates from the plants builds up on the walls, which slowly drips down into big metal tubes. We reuse the evaporated water to make it rain in quotation marks in the dome. And then our ecology is, the ecology on Mars would be very little to none. The atmosphere would not be able to sustain life other than what is brought with us from Earth. There is no life on Mars. Our colony on Mars would be completely self-reliant. There are little to no resources located on Mars, so everything the colony would need, we would have to reproduce. The animals in our dome are pigs, cows, chicken. We reuse the livestock's poop to fertilize our crops. We transfer fields every year to give the crops the best places to grow. Our drinking water is the water that evaporates from the plants we eat, what we reproduce, and the animals that we get reproduced. That's it.
And so I'll give you a little bit more in-depth tour of our dome on Mars. But over here we have our vegetables as pictured, I guess. I don't know, beets. Should have beet. But we've got some corn here growing, and and then over here we have some more corn. And we've got some beets growing over here, a lot of beets. And we've got some wheat. And we started bundling our wheat so we can feed it to our cows and other animals of sorts. Here we have our fruit. This is where this is where the humans gain their nutrients from. And over here we have melons. We've got some pumpkins. I couldn't really figure out the difference between the pumpkins and the melons, because this is a melon and this is a pumpkin, or vice versa. And we have Lucy the tree, and she produces apples. And then over here we have Dale, the other tree, who also produces apples. This is our little dining area, cooking. I think our kitchen needs a little bit of an update. But this is our animal and livestock pens. We've got some mules and some horses. Another, I believe that's a donkey. We've got some chickens and some cows. We have some sheep. But for some reason, the pigs kept drowning. So we're out of pigs. We'll kind of go in here and try to go up. This is our irrigation system. So I guess we have suicidal pigs. And over here we have our wheat, which we use to feed our livestock and animals. We've got some grain, pretty much some wheat over here, and then we've got some grass, or it's supposed to be grass. But I did a through-the-roof irrigation system again with this. And with the other 2 biomes, I did the in-ground irrigation system, just because I produced 2 through the roof, so I figured I'd demonstrate, different types of. Then down here we have living quarters, pretty simple. I figured I would change up the colors a little bit, just because everything's so black and white, and then you've got your brown from Mars. So, but that's about it. Pretty simple, small. And this is our colony project.